This is a label applicator that is going to be able to do a lot of different things. Right now, I have this gold piece in here. This is called the Lip Balm and Small vial adapter. It just slides right into the machine and wrenches down. And this is so we can operate the machine to label real small containers. This is a cylinder the exact same size as a lip balm. This is a inch and a quarter in diameter. This is an inch and 3/4 in diameter. So this also set up. We're going to use the crank handle on this one for this first application, and for that we have in the back here a rear tension bar, and that tension bar, the labels are thread underneath the tension bar, and then these screws and springs are tightened up a little bit so that it provides tension between here and here, which is where you need the tension. So this is going to be specific for people that are maybe looping right out of a printer, or that just have short runs of non-roll stock, or maybe they have fan-folded flat stock to do. So we're not going to be using a roll of labels. Just consider this as coming out of a printer or from any streaming source. So to apply a label to this lip balm size container, we move the front roller in. We have our bottle stop here, or a container stop, and we roll and turn the handle, and it applies the label perfectly. As you can see, that's exactly the size of a lip balm. Now we would go up to this size for this container. Same thing. Just roll and turn the handle, and it applies to that size. Now this is the biggest container we can do with this, and that's 1 3/4 in diameter. So you just roll and apply. Now this bottle stop could have been moved over here for that, and that would have put it in the middle. So you have all the adjustments you need to do several different sizes between 1 3/4 and 1/4 of an inch in diameter.